Photoshop is a photo editing software. It is a popular image changing software package. It was developed in 1987 by the American brothers. It is a two types of graphic software, vector graphic and raster graphic. This software provides many image editing features for raster pixel based images as well as vector graphics. In technical language, Photoshop is a raster graphics software, which means it is used to edit the raster graphics. Raster is a combination of pixel, a group of pixel from a graphic called raster graphics. There are various forms of format of raster graphics. JPEG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. GIF, Graphic Interchange Format. Photoshop is a tool for designer, developer, graphic artists, photographers, and creative professionals. It is widely used in industries. Web designers uses Photoshop first to make a logo for website. Application designer also uses Photoshop first to create user interface or for his applications.